guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, today I'm going to show you what I bring back from Jamaica. Went to Jamaica. As you see, I put out a lot of video, so this is all I brought back, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so stick around. Guys, I brought back some wisdom toothbrush. You can't do without these wisdom tooth, guys, and they're so hard. But I buy 6. I love my wisdom toothbrush, so buy 6. So, guys, see me I eat guinea. Bring back guinea. Yeah, and bring back guava. Bring back guava. And we bring back breadfruit, roast them and scrape them, so breadfruit. And I bring back some honey. And I bring back coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil. And I bring back jelly coconut water, and I bring jelly meat, and I bring back ackee. Can't do without the ackee. And guys, I bring back crab, guys. I bring back crab. This is nice to see crab tamale. Oh my goodness, so nice. So that's all I bring back, guys. Oh, guys, I bring this back too. This is something Peter Gay make for us to bring back, guys. And don't ask me how I mix up in there, but me know say it's just nice. And she said, we must drink it. It give you a buzz. So, me want the buzz, so me just drink it. And guys, go look June plum. Get the June plum in the crocus bag. So we just carry the crocus bag with the June plum. We are gonna look. I saw they used to carry crab in them bag, yeah. But a June plum in it. So yeah, guys, June plum in it, guys, and a crab. June plum. Yep. So yeah, guys, so that's all I brought back with me from Jamaica. And guys, I'm soon done. So yeah, so guys, as I come back from my trip, I have to come and look at my project. So let's take a look together. It's all finished painting. Guys. All finished painted. Yep. So now let's see what's new. The doors are in. The doors are on. And woohoo, the appliances are here. Guys, I was away, so the appliances are here, guys. Oh, wow. Looking gorgeous. So appliances are here. What else is new? The doors are on. Oh, guys, the pot lights are in. And now let's go upstairs to see what else is going on. Let's see what's going on upstairs, guys. So guys, this is the washer and dryer is going to go right here. So the washer is in already, so the dryer is going to go right here. And guys, the doors and the locks are on. Oh wow, looking gorgeous. So the doors, all the doors on the upstairs is in, and the locks are on. So that's the latest. So it's painted, the lights are in. Guys, I didn't put in the lights for the master bedroom because it's gonna be a chandelier and it's gonna be too dusty. So I leave that for the last. So guys, yep. So I'm pleased. So yeah guys. So this is upstairs and the first floor and the second floor. So now we're gonna see in the basement. Okay guys, so remember I was telling you about the basement that I'm gonna block off right here. So that's the door right there to go in the basement. So now I'm gonna lock it off. So I'm just gonna put a storage right here. This used to be the stairs for the basement. So now I'm gonna just put a storage, and then that right here, I'm gonna put the door right there. So I'm gonna put a wall right here to lock it off. And then that's, so guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go outside and show you. So there's no access from the basement to the main living area. So now I'm gonna go outside and show you, okay? So guys, this is the side to the basement. So as I told you, we turn off everything. So this is, so guys, that's where I just showed you right here. We block it off and make a separate entrance for the basement. So this there's no access to the main living to the basement unless you come at the side right here. So you come through the side and you step down. So now we're gonna see together what the latest when I was away. So guys, nice, it's all cleaned up. This is the main kitchen. So you see the pipe right there, that's the sink. The sink right there. That's, yeah, the sink. This is the stove, because this is gonna be the pot filler right here. The pot filler right there, so that's the water, and then somewhere around here the fridge, or maybe down there the fridge, but somewhere. And then basically it's gonna be just a living space and a kitchen. This will be so guys, this, it's kind of dark, so this is gonna be a room right here, and this is gonna be a next room wherever you see the window. So right here, and then this, as I told you, gonna be like a big living open area right here with the kitchen. Then that's the mechanical room, and then yeah guys, so this gonna be like the washing room, laundry room, and this is gonna be the bathroom. So this is where you come through, you come down, and you come down to an open area right here. And again, so guys, this is a 2-bedroom. It's a small little space, but we're gonna work with it. So guys, I'm happy, pleased. I went away for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then this is what I see when I get back. So yeah guys, so we can't wait to complete this project, but it's going. So yeah, so that's the update guys. So catch you later. So guys, it's finished. So yeah guys,